Hi guys, Pella here. Today we're going to be talking about the benefits of rosemary oil. It's become a big trend on Instagram and all social media platforms where everyone's talking about how good rosemary is for just not only your health but also your hair. So we're going to see today if that is actually true or is it just a hype that's been created. Let's check it out. So according to science, rosemary actually has a lot of health benefits. It can help prevent a lot of damage to you. It can also help with, I think, pain relief and stress relief. In 2022, scientists did a study where minoxidil, which is like a hair growth medication, it was compared to rosemary, as if you use rosemary for like 6 weeks, it has the same effect as that. So that's pretty cool. And we know we usually use rosemary in cooking and for seasoning and stuff like that, but it actually has a lot of great benefits to your hair as well. So I had to give it a try, and I usually use Nature Spell's rosemary oil. It had all these great reviews online and I had to try it, and I've just been obsessed with it ever since. My hair has been something that my friends are always asking about. How do I have such great hair and how do I manage it? It's all thanks to that, because not only does it help you with dandruff, it also helps you control hair loss and balding, and also if you have thinning hair, graying hair, and also helps you strengthen the current condition of your hair. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it and then we'll be back. I love that. This makes my hand look like a glazed donut. I kind of massage it, so I've heard if you massage it in your palm, it gives this heat, which is good for you. Then you just slowly, I just take it across my scalp, and because I have thick hair, I have to really concentrate on getting it in the back of my head. I don't like putting too much because I do oil my hair at least 3 times a week. So I'll just put it on the tips. You don't forget, because this is moisturizing, you also have to get it down, get it to the roots, because that's the driest part of your hair, not head. And then then I would you should massage it a little bit. It also affects lymphatic drainage if you massage it. So you just massage a little. You can also use a wooden comb to just brush it out. I know I kind of look odd right now, but I would usually just let it sit in for a couple of hours. You can even keep it overnight if you can. And and then you just wash it off and then look at the results. Oh, before I forget, I also use the Hair Growth Complex shampoo by Nature Spell. Accompanied with this, I think it really has a lot of effect because they have ingredients that benefit each other. So you should check it out. So you guys can see I just used it and I've just dried my hair, and it just gives a really healthy shine to it, and it just helps me strengthen my hair and also, of course, hair growth. I don't think it's a hype. I think it actually is worth it. You guys should go check out the reviews, check out the website. You can see a little bit more in detail about what the oil contains and the benefits, and you guys should definitely give it a try.